Hello, in this video we're gonna check which screen gestures and motions work for a lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And to do this, let's open the settings. Right here, find advanced features. It should be this yellow icon in the middle. Then go for motions and gestures, and now you can see all of the options right here. Now let's check which of them work on a lock screen. First one, lift to wake, turn on screen when you pick up your phone. So we make it enabled, and now if we lock our device or it times out and we pick up the phone and it sees our face, it should wake up like this. So that works for a lock screen. Next one is double tap to turn on screen, and this also works fine with a lock screen. Next one is double tap to turn off screen, and in this case we need to unlock it and then double tap to lock it again. That also works fine. Next one, alert when phone picked up. That works with your lock screen, as if you receive any calls or messages while your phone is locked and you pick it up to your hand, it should vibrate, and that way you'll know that someone tried to reach you. Next one is to turn over to mute, and that also works for a lock screen. So if you place your phone like this, none of the calls should reach you, and I mean they will reach you, but they'll be muted. Next one is turn over to mute. We made that already. Pick up phone to call, so bring your phone close to your ear to call a contact whose message or contact details are on the screen, and that doesn't work for your lock screen, as you need to have the contact enable turned on your phone and to make that call like that. And next, finger sensor gestures, and they probably won't work on our lock screen, but let's try it. I think we need to wake it up, and now let's try. Oh yeah, they work, so that's fine. So you just need to use your finger next to the fingerprint sensor to call out the notification toolbar. And that's all of the gestures for the lock screen on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.